Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make waffles using a toaster. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready, including waffle mix, water, oil, and eggs. Next, preheat your waffle iron to the manufacturer's suggested temperature, which usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. Finally, lightly grease the waffle iron plates with cooking spray or a pastry brush to prevent sticking and ensure easy removal of your delicious waffles. Now let's prepare the batter. In a large bowl, combine your dry ingredients such as flour and leavening agents. In a separate bowl, whisk together the wet ingredients like milk, eggs, and oil until they are thoroughly blended. Then, gently fold the wet ingredients into the dry mixture until just combined. Remember, overmixing can lead to tough waffles, so stop as soon as the ingredients are incorporated. It's time to cook. Pour approximately 1/2 to 3/4 of a cup of batter onto the center of your preheated waffle iron. Close the lid and allow the waffles to cook for about 3 to 5 minutes. You'll know they are ready when the steam stops escaping from the sides and they are a beautiful golden brown. Carefully remove the cooked waffle with a non-metal utensil. Your delicious homemade waffles are now ready to be enjoyed. For the best experience, serve them immediately while they are warm and crispy. You can top them with a variety of delicious options, such as maple syrup, fresh berries, or a dollop of whipped cream. If you're making a larger batch, keep cooked waffles warm in an oven set to 200 degrees Fahrenheit. Enjoy your perfectly crafted breakfast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.